So hello everybody, in today's video I will be doing two different types of curl patterns and braid patterns by Sensationnel Lulutress. So the first one I want to show you, they're very new on the market. A lot of people don't know about it. This is how the package looks. And you see 3X, when you see 3X, that means that it's 3 separate packs in one. And I bought this here in my local beauty supply store, and it was $9.99. This is a 14-inch. Every one of these is 14-inch, so this is how it looks. And the type that I have bought is Water Wave. This color is 1B. I seen 1B, I seen 1, I seen 4. And I also seen 1B/4 and 1B/30. So when you take it out the pack, ladies, it looks just like this. And isn't that a beautiful, beautiful curl pattern? Now you also can use this for passion twist. This is passion twist right here. Some people crochet the passion twist in, that's already done, already selected for you. Or you can buy this here right here and you can twist up the passion twist. This is without the passion twist, the normal hair. And this is when you do the passion twist. This is how it would look. Okay, this hair comes in so many different varieties. It comes in another Water Wave. This is 14 inches, but it also comes in 12 inches if you want to get that. It also comes in 18 inches. And then they also have something that's called Allen Twist, and that comes in 18 inches. Okay, and they also have something called 2X Kinky 4B. They also have 2X Curly 3B, and they also have Curly 3C. And the one that I have in my hair right now is the 2X Curly 3B. This is the one that I'm having in my hair right now. They also have the Balm Twist 12 inches, Kinky, and also Chunky twist out. So this is all the ones that they have in the package. So that's a very good hair. Like I said, it's 14 inches. Then I had another one that I wanted to purchase and to also review, to show you ladies exactly what else is out there new on the market. And this is also by Lulutress. It's also 2X. And this one, y'all, check this out. It's the Goddess Box Braids. The Goddess Box Braids. How pretty is that? Goddess Box Braids. And so you can do it as regular crochet braids if you want. You can make a wig if you want. It doesn't matter. And once again, it's 3X. And I told you before that 3X means that there's 3 packages in one. So look how that looks, ladies. Isn't that pretty? I like especially the way the bottom looks. I can't wait to try this. Look at how beautiful that curl is, ladies. Nice, nice curl pattern. Okay, it's not too thick. It's not too thin. And in the back, it shows you other types of hair that you can buy. Actually, it's almost the same hair that I just showed you with the Water Wave. But this one giving you more of 12 inches styles. And it's also giving you one that wasn't there before, and that's fluffy. And it's also giving you the kinky rod curl. It didn't give you that in that other one right there. And then it also has the kinky twist, so which is really, really nice. Just a little bit different. So that's how that looks, ladies. Okay, this hair is so pretty. Just like this. So, so each package has 12 here, 12 here, and 12 here. Package of 12. Okay, once again, that's Sensationnel 3X Lulutress. And the name of this one is called Goddess Box Braids. It's in 18 inches. Package, the color is 1B. And it is pre-looped. It's pre-looped. Pre-looped. Okay, ladies. So those are the new hair. This one also was $9.99 in my local beauty supply store. So they're both $9.99. Okay, ladies, that's my review. Thank you so much for watching.